the storm has undergone some big changes over the last 12 hours or so. It ran into a little bit of unexpected wind shear. So as we can see here, it lost a lot of its symmetry. And there's this whole left-hand side of the storm that's now missing because the winds have basically ripped it apart. And because of that, the storm is a little bit weaker than what was originally forecast for today at this time. As we can see, there's just a little bit of convection in the center of the storm that's still kind of holding together, and that is why at this point it's still a Category 2 with 105-mile-an-hour sustained winds. Otherwise, it might even be weaker than that because of how much energy it is lost because of that air that is, or in that wind that's pulling it apart. But as we go forward in the forecast, a little bit of a change too because of it being weaker right now. It will continue to be fairly weak as a Category 2, maybe strengthening back up to 110 miles an hour sustained winds as it makes its closest approach there Thursday morning along the Outer Banks there. But it will continue up and take its turn out to sea. And on Friday morning, that's where it's going to be the closest to New England, still several hundred miles offshore from Nantucket. So we're still anticipating to see high surf and also the high risk for rip currents as we go forward, especially Thursday and Friday. Those are our two big days of concern. But as we go forward in the forecast, you're going to learn it's really not great beach weather overall. So that's going to be a kind of a silver lining with regards to our forecast here. But again, feeling like fall once again with some nice comfortable temperatures, comfortable humidity, and that will be the case for today. But